Morning guys, today we're heading into Islands Adventure and we're going to ride Velocicoaster and Hagrids. We're absolutely buzzing to go in and ride these two and then get some food. We're just on the moving walkway, sprinting past everybody. Well, I'm trying to slow Natalie down, but she's sprinting. And that's us in, and we're going to head straight to the back to go to Hagrids and then Velocicoaster. And it is lovely today, by the way. What a day. I love this wee park. Our plan is we're going to stay in this park and then we're going to go and do Stay and Scream, aren't we?
Oh, I'm so excited to try out Stay and Scream.
Well, we're going to try and go in some of the big boy houses now, aren't we?
Oh my goodness, Jason, I still haven't been on it.
We need to get on that. Or Terrifier.
Thank you. You guys like a picture? Oh,
right, thanks.
Have a great day.
How cool does Velocicoaster look in the background there? Hopefully get people on it now, because I think there's the early park admission. Oh, look, here it comes out.
Wow. Oh.
That looks cool.
Dave, you're not gonna like that.
Nah, I like that.
Apparently you only have a lap bar.
Testing, testing, testing.
We just went and picked up our freestyle cups. So these are, well, they're about $19 including tax, and you can get a drink every 10 minutes, which is quite good, especially the prices in the parks, because the parks are like $5.99 for a bottle of Coke. So I think this is well worth it. That's the one Natalie got. We're just heading on to Hagrids and it's 135-minute wait. Hope it's not that long. How cool does it look?
Loose articles are not permitted on the motorbikes. This would include bags, backpacks, purses, wands.
I'll see you all in the morning. Gotta see about a unicorn.
Investigating this muggle tool. Fascinating. Works on Apple trickery.
Oh, you are. Oh, hello. I'm glad you found the place all right. I've got a very special Care of Magical Creatures class for you today. And Mr. Weasley, who many of you will remember, has kindly agreed to help you get you around.
Wingardium Leviosa. Hagrid's asking to duplicate Sirius Black's motorbike. Take you all to the end of the forest.
Yes, and that's where I shall be showing some blast-ended struts. We're rolling on village, shall we? That lovely promise. And I've got some Cornish pictures for you to see. And if we're lucky enough to lure one in, a unicorn.
Oh. Well, I think it's time to give this idea a go. Stand back.
Judy? That's just marvelous, aren't they? Not bad.
I think we're ready.
Right. Arthur's been doing a bit of tinkering with the bike. Making some improvements, you might say. Let's get that purple bullet.
Careful, Hagrid. Your dragonfly is only emergencies only.
Let's get them back to the cave. Come on. done it, Arthur. The track of fire could not have been smoother. Well, for a part from the, you know.
Yes, well, that's not quite how that's supposed to work. Everyone all right? Let's leave this to me. I'm one empty.
Fine. Better try and start out these pixies.
Righty-ho.
Oh, now don't you worry, Dennis. I'll see you all down there.
Of course, none of this will happen when you actually try the device. You need to stand in the stables. Might be safer to duplicate the bikes down there, your room. Then you can ride them. That's better.
We're just about to go on. Oh! Sorry, we're just about to go into Velocicoaster, just as it was flying past there. This is cool. Can't wait to try this. It just flies past here. How cool does this look just walking in?
How long the wait?
That's awesome. Can't wait to go on it. The big drop. Oh, it's just coming down.
15-minute wait.
And then, as the guy just said there, if you heard them, it's a 15-minute wait, so we're going to jump on right now. Absolutely buzzing for this one. These are so cool. Don't look at it in the eye. How cool does the rain, Skull Island Rain of Kong look? Looks so cool, man. The hills in the distance and all that there. We rode this actually last time we were here. We weren't too fond of it, but we're going to give it another go because you never know, maybe we just got a poor ride through. It says it's only a 10-minute wait, so we should be on pretty quick, and I quite like the queue. There's the ride vehicles.
We're going on an adventure.
We are going on an adventure.
Cool.
Feel like Indiana Jones here.
I don't really remember this queue right now.
To be honest, I think we waited about 2.5 hours in the queue, didn't we? Because it was just newly open. And then when we got on it, it wasn't the best. Well, maybe it was good, I don't know, but we didn't like it. It's like the catacombs.
I was going to just say that.
Just sat down for something to eat, and I got the bacon cheeseburger, sorry. Natalie got chicken salad and some chips, and I got ranch dressing, which is gluten free, and so is the blue cheese dressing. Looks quite good.
Really nice. It's quite quiet in here.
We're just going to go into Fast and the Furious ride. Check this out, man. I love these styles of cars, man, the old school. Reminds me a wee bit like a boat stroke plane combined. And I think that's an old Ford there in the background, isn't it?
Cars.
Love the lights under this one.
Through the streets of San Francisco. You see my man Dom Toretto, he's leading the pack as they race to the finish line at Sullivan's. You see, that's where the after party is going down. So we will load you onto the party buses soon. Hang tight.
family fans.
We just came off a Fast and the Furious and there was Natalie doing her impression of Vin Diesel. It wasn't the greatest ride and it was over in about 3 seconds. It wasn't that good, was it?
Oh, it was terrible. It was the most cheesy thing I've ever seen in my life.
Basically Vin Diesel said family about 20 times and
We gotta
then
stick together like family.
it was like a computer game as well. It wasn't great. But we're going to go and see where we can be for Stains Cream. Hopefully get me an ice cream and then chill out. Just stopped off for some ice cream and I went and got some praline and cream Haagen-Dazs and Natalie got some soft serve.
We're supposed to get more than this, but she broke the machine.
Oh, the machine's broke, but I'm dying to get about this. It looks lovely. And we're back in for Stains Cream again, but this time they are red. We're going to really need to try and get 3 or 4 houses done tonight.
I know, we only have 4 nights
4 left, aye. We'll do it.
Oh god, we've got 4 houses left, we've got about 4 nights and we've got 4 houses and 2 shows left to do, but it's so long.
I'm sure we'll smash it. The heat's been a wee bit of an equaliser for us because it's been like between 32 and 38 degrees. A couple of nights we've had to call it early because we're standing in 38 degree heat. We were just far too warm. Started to get a wee bit of like heat sickness or heat stroke. Great day, guys. I'm just going for okay. Thank you. Cheers.